Blessings and welcome to this week's edition of SongBird Sundays. Today is World Water Day, so we hear this beautiful waterway, natural waterway, and all water's connected. So if you pray and bless to a certain body of water, or even a cup, or the water that you're about to drink, it's felt by all water all over the world. And water especially loves to be sung to. So I just actually wrote a new song that combines some different mantras from Hindu and from the Brazilian Orisha traditions and some English words. And it's a new song that I've never shared before, so it's something that I'm going to share right now for World Water Day. So hope you enjoy. Ganga ki jaya jaya, Yamuna ki jaya jaya, Ganga ki jaya jaya, Yamuna ki jaya jaya, Ganga ki jaya jaya, Yamuna ki jaya jaya, Ganga ki jaya jaya, Yamuna ki jaya jaya. Water is life, water is love, water is a blessing raining down from above. Water is sacred, water is free, water gives life to all living things. Give thanks to Mother Water, giver of life. Oh, Mother Water, ocean of life. Ire, 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 ushun, ire, were, were, nitaya. Ire, were, were, nitaya, oshun, ire, were, were, nitaya. Eya, yemasha, eya, yemasha. Eya, yemasha, eya, yemasha. Ganga ki jaya jaya, Yamuna ki jaya jaya, Ganga ki jaya jaya, Yamuna ki jaya jaya. Give thanks to Mother Water, giver of life. Oh, Mother Water, ocean of life. Ire were were nitaya oshun, ire were were nitaya. Ire were were nitaya oshun, ire were were nitaya. Yeah, yemasha, eya, yemasha, eya, yemasha, eya, yemasha. Blessings to all the waters. May all the waters be blessed and flow abundantly from the salt water oceans to the rivers and the streams and the waterfalls. May they all flow abundantly, all the rivers and all the rains come back to the earth, and may all the children for generations to come be provided with clean, clear, beautiful, abundant water. And thank you so much. Blessings. I love you.